We got a lot of rain this spring, and my pond has risen about 2, maybe 3 feet. Now I'm in a low spot right here, and the water collects and it's got nowhere to go. There's no overflow, there's no drain. So I'm gonna have to pump this out. You can see my private road right there. If you want, you could watch my video on how to fix a private road. But I'm gonna get set up right now with the pump, and we're gonna get started right now. All right, to prime the pump, I'm just gonna pour some water down into the hole right there. It's okay if you spill a little bit. On switch. Then over here on this side, this is your throttle. It's all the way on. This is a choke. All right, it's all the way closed. That's in the start position. Once it's running, I'll open it all the way. This is your gas valve, on and off. That's closed. I usually close it when I'm done, but right now it's in the on position. So we should be ready to go. Might take a couple pulls. There's a ditch at the end of my road. All right, this has been pumping for days, and it's just about the level I want it. So that's going to complete this project for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next project. Thanks for watching.